Now students, more than two vectors. This vector is A bar, magnitude 4. That is along positive x-axis. This is positive y-axis, negative x-axis, negative y-axis. Vector A bar having magnitude 4. Now B bar magnitude 5. This angle is a 37 degrees. Because we know cos 37 and also sin 37. Sin 37 3 by 5, cos 37 4 by 5. Tan 37 3 by 4. So that's why 37 I have taken. Next to students, C bar magnitude is a 6. Next to D bar it is magnitude 8. So this is 30 degrees. So 4 vectors are there. All are in the xy plane. Yes, now target is A bar minus B bar minus C bar plus D bar equal to question mark. A bar minus B bar minus C bar plus D bar. This equal to one more vector R bar. That R bar magnitude direction is our target. Students all know resolution of a vector. Which side component you need first with that axis angle required. Then cos of that angle. For example, here 37. This angle 53. This angle 30. This angle 60. Yes, all angles we know. Now A bar. Students, A bar has only x component, no question of y. See now. So that's why A bar 4 I cap plus 0 j cap. No y component at all. Now B bar. Second vector B bar. Students, B bar is in first quadrant. Positive x component is there, positive y component is there. Positive x component means related to 37. Positive y component related to 53. Already resolution of vectors we know. Suppose now not remember resolution, need not to worry. It is one right angle triangle. This is 5 is the hypotenuse. Adjacent side is a x component. Opposite side is a y component. That's all. Very simple logics. Yes, now I need x component. In this right angle triangle, x component 5 into cos 37. Cos 37 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into 5. 5 cancel 4. So answer 4 I cap. Which one? Only x component. Y component means opposite side. Otherwise, if you take now this right angle triangle, this is again 53 adjacent. Again cos 53. 3 by 5. 3 by 5 into 5. Yes, 3. Again positive y axis. So plus 3 j cap. This is the B bar. B bar now written in the form of a components. Now students come to C bar. C bar along only y axis. So no question of x component. That is 0 I cap plus 6 j cap. That is the C bar. Now students D bar. D bar is in second quadrant. X negative, y positive. So x negative, y positive. First negative. Suppose student unable to find, you simply draw one now right angle triangle. This is nothing but what now? X component. It is one right angle triangle, 60 degrees. Adjacent side we need. This is hypotenuse 8. 8 cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2 into 8 4. So 4 I cap. Negative x axis, that's why minus. Next to this side. Yes, this y component means opposite side. So 60 opposite to sine 60. Otherwise 30 adjacent to. Both are same. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 into 8 4 root 3. 4 root 3 j cap. So now a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar all written. Finally, what do you need? A bar minus b bar. This is b bar. This is b bar. But we need minus b bar. Means here minus b bar means minus 4i cap plus means here minus 3j cap. Again minus c bar. This is c bar minus c bar means into minus. Again d bar. Yes, once now like this completed, students. Now I am finding minus b bar because we need minus b bar. Minus this plus become minus, right? Now come to again minus c bar. Minus this plus become minus. Next to d bar already plus, so need not to change. Now add all. So a bar minus b bar minus c bar plus d bar. This total is nothing but add all x components. 4i cap cancel. This is already 0. This is minus 4i cap. So answer finally minus 4i cap. So x component to negative k. Negative x component minus 4i cap. Next to 0, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 6, so minus 9. Minus 9 plus 4 root 3. Yes, 9 only greater. So that's why now answer minus half. This is total 9 minus 4 root 3 j cap. Yes, minus 9 here plus 4 root 3. Now minus taken common. 9 minus 4 root 3 j cap. Because 9 minus 4 root 3 is a positive, because 4 root 3 is only 1.73. That's why 4 into 1.73 is still less than 8. 9 minus 8 means that is positive. Yes, so students, this is a bar minus b bar minus c bar plus b bar means r bar equal to minus 4i cap minus of 9 minus 4 root 3 j cap. So in the vector format completed. Now we need a magnitude and direction. Yes, so here again same coordinate system. X component negative, y component negative. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. So that's why now in the third quadrant our final vector is there. R bar is in third quadrant. So to avoid confusion here I am drawing, students. This is the third quadrant. This is R bar. X component how much? Here to here x component is a 4. Because direction already written minus. Next to y component 9 minus 4 root 3. That means in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse r equal to question mark. In a right angle triangle, adjacent side 4, opposite side 9 minus 4 root 3. Hypotenuse, that equal to question. Yes, we know from that r equal to under root 4 square, that is 16 plus 9 minus 4 root 3 whole square. So this is final resultant, means magnitude of a bar minus b bar minus c bar plus d bar, magnitude it is. Now we need direction. Suppose with negative x-axis angle is a alpha. With the negative x-axis, r bar is making an angle alpha. Tan alpha equal to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? 9 minus 4 root 3 divided by 4. That's it. Therefore, alpha equal to tan inverse of. So that's why resolution first I completed very clearly. Once resolution we know, yes, you can find addition and subtraction very simple. First to resolve all vectors along x and y. All x components one side, y components other side like this, x and y. Then according to given problem, you need to do the operation. Suppose plus, positive, that is not addition, minus means subtraction. So now students are ready to solve any type of problem on addition and subtraction, because addition, subtraction both are the same, very similar. If you